What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best travel cameras in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. In the realm of compact travel cameras, the Sony RX100 VII stands out as the superior choice for 2023. This model retains the valuable features of its predecessor, the Sony RX100 VI, such as the 24-200mm effective focal length, pop-up EVF, and adjustable touchscreen. However, it also brings fresh elements to the table, including a new 20.1 megapixel, 1-inch Type X More RS CMOS sensor, Sony's Bionz X processor, an enhanced AF system, and a 3.5mm microphone jack. The RX100 VII is crafted around a 1-inch 20 million pixel stacked CMOS sensor that delivers a sensitivity range of ISO 100 to 12800. It maintains the same 24-200mm equivalent f2.8 to 4.5 zoom lens as its predecessor, along with the unchanged pop-up viewfinder and touchscreen. The continuous shooting rate has been slightly reduced to a still impressive 20 FPS. The defining feature of the RX100 VII is the integration of Sony's latest Bionz X processor with a next-gen sensor. This combination results in significant enhancements to the hybrid AF system. It now merges 357 on-chip phase detection points, covering 68% of the frame with 425 contrast detection areas. Sony asserts that this has decreased the AF acquisition time from 0.03 seconds to 0.02 seconds, which should enhance the capture of fast-moving subjects. Furthermore, the RX100 VII introduces this single-burst shooting feature, which captures 7 frames in rapid succession with just one shutter button press at 90 FPS, 60 FPS, or 30 FPS. This enables you to select the perfect moment from the burst. An intervalometer function for time-lapse recording is another welcome addition. The RX100 VII does not disappoint in terms of video capabilities. It can record 4K 3840 by 2160 footage at 25 FPS with full pixel readout, delivering detailed footage without cropping the field of view. Built-in Wi-Fi allows connection to your smartphone or tablet via the Sony Imaging Edge mobile app, offering remote control of the camera with live view and the ability to modify most camera settings. Thumbs up, that's for sure. As we proceed with our reviews, we present the Nikon ZFC, a leading contender for the most stylish travel camera available in 2023. This camera's design harks back to an era of film cameras, sporting a retro exterior reminiscent of a classic 70s Shutterbug magazine advertisement. Despite its vintage aesthetics, the Nikon ZFC is a modern marvel, equipped with a DX APS-C digital sensor and compatible with Nikkor Z mirrorless lenses. The ZFC is an ideal pick for creators drawn to its distinctive style or those seeking a compact device for landscape or documentary photography. It may not be the best fit for larger lenses or capturing fast-moving subjects, but it shines in its designated niche. This model replaces the traditional 135 film cartridge with an APS-C digital sensor and swaps the optical viewfinder for an electronic one. However, it retains some nostalgic elements, such as multicolored markings on the shutter dial and a small LCD that displays the f-stop where the frame counter would typically be located. The ZFC comes exclusively in silver, although Nikon offers the option to customize it with various colored skins. The construction blends high-quality plastics and metals, resulting in a robust camera resistant to dust and splashes. Although it doesn't have a listed IP rating, it's safe to say it's not designed for underwater use. Pairing well with the ZFC are the compact and lightweight 28mm f2.8 and 16 to 50mm lenses. The camera itself measures 3.7 by 5.3 by 1.8 inches HVD and weighs 13.8 ounces. It's not the smallest mirrorless camera on the market, but its slightly boxy feel contributes to its unique charm, harking back to the flat front design popular in the 70s. Vloggers will find the Nikon ZFC particularly appealing. It supports 4K UHD video recording, boasts a tilting vari-angle LCD screen, and offers full-time AF with eye detection. Other features include a built-in stereo microphone, an external microphone jack, and compatibility with live streaming and web conferencing. The variable angle screen can be adjusted to face forward, activating self-portrait mode, and bringing key camera controls to the monitor for easy touch and tap settings. Overall, the Nikon ZFC is a remarkable blend of vintage design and modern technology. Introducing the Sony Alpha 7C, the top contender for the best full-frame travel camera of 2023. This compact yet powerful device is a part of Sony's renowned Alpha series and offers a plethora of features to enhance your photography experience. The Alpha 7C is a mini interchangeable lens camera, MILC, that continues Sony's tradition of delivering exceptional performance. The cornerstone of any camera purchase is the image quality it offers, and the Alpha 7C does not disappoint. Equipped with a 24 24.2 megapixel full-frame Exmor R-back illuminated CMOS sensor and Bions X image processor, this camera promises up to 15 stops of dynamic range. Although its sensor may be considered low resolution among full-frame sensors, the 24.2 megapixel resolution is more than adequate for most photography requirements. The full-frame sensor captures an ample amount of light, ensuring minimal noise even at high ISO ratings. One striking feature of the Alpha 7C is its real-time AF tracking. This advanced feature uses AI to continuously track moving subjects while capturing photos or videos, and we found it works remarkably well. Additionally, the real-time AF utilizes AI to detect and process eye data in real time, resulting in impressively accurate subject tracking. The camera's advanced AI technology also enables fast, precise, automatic detection and tracking of animal eyes, a feature that leaves no room for criticism. The facial recognition mode of the Sony Alpha 7C works flawlessly, adding to its appeal. The camera comes with 5-axis in-body image stabilization, allowing you to capture stills and videos without worrying about camera shake. This feature works irrespective of the lens attached and eliminates the need for tripod or gimbal, a detail much appreciated by users. Despite its compact size, the Alpha 7C houses a high-capacity NP-FZ100 battery, offering an industry-leading 740 shots on a full charge when using the LCD monitor. This feature is particularly beneficial for vloggers who are always on the move. Moreover, the Alpha 7C offers a silent shooting mode, making it a perfect choice for quiet events or wildlife photography. The convenience of this portable camera means it's more likely to accompany you on your travels, leading to capturing more memories. The image quality it offers far surpasses that of any smartphone, making it a highly recommended product for any photography enthusiast. Continuing our review series, we present the GoPro Hero 11 Black, lauded as the premier action travel camera of 2023. This latest addition to the Hero series builds upon its predecessors, combining familiar elements with a host of exciting new features. At first glance, the Hero 11 Black seems remarkably similar to its forerunners, the Hero 9 and 10, maintaining the same exterior design, save for the bold 11 emblazoned on its side. This consistency proves beneficial for long-standing GoPro enthusiasts, as existing accessories remain compatible with this model. Among the new offerings, the most significant is its enhanced sensor. The Hero 11 Black boasts a taller sensor, optimized for shooting vertical videos, a much-appreciated feature for social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the camera's improved photo capture capacity, which is increased from 23 megapixels to 27. The slow-motion feature has also been upgraded, now supporting 4K upscaling. Another noteworthy upgrade is the more robust and weather-resistant battery. The Hero series has previously faced criticism for its unpredictable battery life, making this improvement particularly welcome. GoPro's easy controls simplify initial setup, providing 3 preset profiles with optimized settings for specific shooting goals. Users can select from extended battery, highest quality, or longest battery profiles depending on their preferences. This user-friendly feature is ideal for digital creators transitioning from smartphone to action camera usage. Advanced users can access Pro controls by swiping down, while additional recording settings are available through the Quick app. This app also enables quick editing, frame extraction, and content sharing. New to the Hero 11 Black are several innovative camera modes and features. Hyperview mode, working with a taller sensor, stretches captured footage to fit a 16:9 frame, ideal for platforms like YouTube. Content creators will also enjoy the new nighttime time-lapse effects, adding creative versatility to their repertoire. As we reach the pinnacle of our list, we introduce the camera that has earned the title of Best Overall Travel Camera of 2023, the Olympus OM-DE M10 Mark IV. This compact yet powerful device strikes a fine balance between user-friendly functionality, top-tier quality, and an intuitive interface that is especially welcoming to beginners. The EM10 Mark IV comes with several significant upgrades, including an enhanced autofocus system and an upgraded sensor. These features ensure the camera remains relative in the rapidly evolving photography landscape and delivers superior image quality for those seeking a straightforward everyday setup. Despite its small size, this model from Olympus boasts surprisingly comfortable ergonomics. Its compact form nearly fits in your hand, yet it possesses a solid, substantial feel thanks to a well-designed grip on the right side, making one-handed operation feasible. In terms of aesthetics, the EM10 Mark IV pays homage to the design ethos of smaller cameras from yesteryears. Its black and silver color scheme recalls the iconic Olympus Strip 35mm film camera, a globally recognized classic. The EM Mark X IV follows suit, and we believe this stylistic choice adds a touch of nostalgia. One standout feature is the adjustable rear screen, which can be extended, tilted, and swiveled. This versatile design is particularly beneficial for travel photographers, content creators, and anyone frequently shooting from high or low angles. The revamped autofocus system promises improved tracking of moving subjects, while the new 20-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor substantially enhances overall image quality. Additionally, the inclusion of 5-axis image stabilization is a boon for vloggers. The EN10 Mark IV offers a seamless user experience right from the startup, taking mere seconds to power up. While not the fastest startup startup time, it's sufficiently swift for most standard usage. The clarity and resolution of the tilting screen are commendable, providing accurate previews of your shots. Navigating through the system screens is as simple as pressing the info button, offering an intuitive and user-friendly interface. The camera's autofocus performance is competitive within its class, reliably tracking movement within a reasonable range. With a shooting speed of 15 frames per second in fast mode, the EN10 Mark IV excels at capturing fleeting moments. Ideal for street and wildlife photography, the quick autofocus combined with its accessible controls and portable design makes this camera an excellent companion for on-the-go photography. Equipped with a compact, lightweight 14-42mm lens, the EN10 Mark IV can easily fit in a backpack or pocket. This portability, coupled with its ease of use, makes it an appealing upgrade for smartphone photographers. All in all, the Olympus OMDE Mark X IV stands out as a worthy investment in 2023. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 travel cameras in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.